Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow a guest posting backlink on this site. So the website name is hituponviews.com. So if you guys will create your guest posting backlink on this site, so this site will be going to approve your guest posting instantly on this platform. So this is a website URL and this is the dashboard, and also I can provide this website URL over the description section, so from there you can access easily. And for this website we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 38, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 55 and the spam score is only 4%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website having 13.4k monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from India, Pakistan, USA, UK and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building, do follow link from that kind of country from this site, so must you guys will create your article on this site. So now we can start. First thing, you can click on the write for us button, and this site will navigate on the WordPress login dashboard. So simply you can click on the register button, and there you can add your username, and you can choose your email address. Then after that you can click on the register button. So after that this site will send you a verification email, so we can check our Gmail box. So you can see, yeah, I received a verification email. So after that you can click on this link button, and there you can add your password. There you can choose your password, and let me add something. And after that you can click on the save password. Okay, so you can so let me use this. So after that you can see there I can add job more, and you can click on the login button. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co, and you can click on the post and click on the new add a new post button. And after that so I have already generated the article for this. So let me use what I have generated. I've generated a fresh content. So yeah, so this is the title, and there we can add our content. So our content is ready. So let me copy my content and put it over there. So after that you guys will optimize your headings and your content. So you can say this is looks nice, really looks nice. So this is a heading, should be H3, H2, this should be in H3, H3, H2, yeah. So we have successfully added all the things. So first checklist is completed, and we can add our category. So from there you can choose your category. So category is software. So this is the category, yeah. And you guys will add tags. So from there we can add what is our title, healthcare employee shortage. So first tag is healthcare healthcare, and the employee sort is EMPLOYEE sort is employee sort is we can add, so we have added to tags, and we can add a minimum one internal link. So let me open this website into the next tab, and from there we can search any relevant content. So employee healthcare, so healthcare data analyst, yeah. So let me internally link this content so that I can search health healthcare data. So we don't have, so healthcare, so let me insert on this keyword. So you can see we have successfully inserted. So there is a between 1 to 2 external link, in content. So I guess we have added a multiple external link. So let me remove some of links. Dismiss, I guess, yeah. So readability is okay, and another thing is SEO is okay. So let me add for the SEO, there we can use a title. So generate title and description for this content, generate title and the description for this content. So title is this, description keep short, description is too long, so that's why we can use a short version. There we can add our title, healthcare workforce crisis, healthcare employee shortage. And after that you can add your description. So this is the description. Yeah, and after that we can insert a feature image. So let me download, I have a feature image as well. And after that from there we can upload a feature image if you're wanting. So then you can add a alt tag for your images, and after that you can click on the set feature. So overall we have completed all the things. So readability is okay. So now the time is to we can click on the publish button. So how we can optimize readability. So let me remove some content. Need subheading distribution 3 section, and the strength sentence length is 43, and the subheading distribution 3 section of your text longer than 300 words. So okay, so I can remove some content, and from there as well Readability is still not okay. So this is a heading 3, heading 2. And again we can remove something. So this is a heading C. Yeah, so readability is okay. So you can optimize your content according to the their guideline. So we have successfully optimized all the things. So after that you can click on the publish button, and you will see our link is successfully yeah, so this is the link. You can click on this, and this is a live URL. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved guest posting a backlink or not. So you can see this is an instant approved backlink. This is the title, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow. So we have successfully created a guest post backlink on this platform. So this is a process for the guest posting. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.